Buyers in the market for a pre-owned truck know a nearly new Chevy Avalanche blends the versatility of a truck and the comfort of an SUV. And Bill Pierre Chevrolet is your premier source for Chevrolet vehicles in the Seattle area. Visit our interactive website at www.pierrechevrolet.com. While you're there, find out what kind of special financing is available. Get a quick quote. Search our certified pre-owned specials and find out more about the 60 years of award-winning service that makes Bill Pierre Chevrolet Seattle's premier Chevy dealership. Bill Pierre Chevrolet is located at 11323 Lake City Way Northeast in Seattle, Washington.